In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom out on a Windows 10 desktop using two simple methods that are perfect for beginners. If things on your screen ever feel too large or cramped, zooming out can make everything easier to see and manage. Let's start with a quick keyboard shortcut that works great if you like keeping your hands on the keyboard. First, look at the keyboard and find the Control key. It's usually located in the bottom left corner. Now, while holding down the Control key, press the minus key. This is the key with the dash symbol, usually found near the top of the keyboard or next to the number pad. Each time you press it, the screen zooms out a little more. You'll see the change happen instantly, so you can stop when things look comfortable. This method is fast and precise, especially if you just want to make small adjustments without using your mouse. Now let's look at another option that feels more smooth and flexible. This method uses your mouse. Place your cursor anywhere on the desktop or inside a window. Hold down the Control key again, and this time scroll the mouse wheel downward. As you scroll, the screen gradually zooms out. You can scroll slowly for small changes or faster for bigger adjustments. This approach is great if you prefer more control over how much you zoom in or out, almost like adjusting a volume dial. Both methods do the same thing, and neither one is better than the other. It really comes down to what feels more natural for you. You can even switch between them depending on what you're doing or how long you're working on your computer. And that's how you zoom out on a Windows 10 desktop. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.